Okay, describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time.
As we all know, time is very precious for everyone. But nowadays, most of the people complain about their time consumption. They are short on time because mostly they use their time on irrelevant activities like social media. And the case is same with me. And here I would like to talk about the an activity on which I waste most of my time. This is the excessive use of the social media. So mostly before sleeping, I use social media for 2 to 3 hours, as well as when I wake up in the morning, I use mobile phone just after getting up. So this is the serious problem for me, which consume most of my time. In fact, this is the best way to
Okay,
connect with the.
thank you. Overall, it's good. Your content is fine. You understand the topic well as well, but you're taking a lot of pauses. And time and again, you're saying like this. So try to overcome that. This is just due to lack of practice. So if you practice your English time and again, automatically these things will be fine. And try to speak on these topics repeatedly. When you speak second time, third time, fourth time, you become more fluent. Okay. Now we go on to speaking part 3. How do you balance work and life?
All right, it is depend upon the person.
It depends. Now listen. Don't talk about person. When I say how do you balance work and life? In order to balance my work and my life, I have made a timetable and I strictly follow that timetable. Don't revert the question to third person or second person and all that. So how do you balance work and life?
I usually have a timetable for adjusting my work and sorry, question.
Leave it. Examiner will not ask you question again. Okay, if you do it 2 times, third time they will change the question. So focus part 3 as well.
All right.
Okay, thank you.